Good morning, my dear children. Today we shall discuss the question number 5, and this is going to be last question of your chapter, Quadratic Equation. After this, we will be going to discuss another chapter. Observe here the fifth question. What is that? Is it possible to design a rectangular path of perimeter 80 meter and area 400 meter square? Then find the length and breadth if it is possible. You know that area of a rectangle, there is a formula L into B. Perimeter of a rectangle formula is P is equals to, that is perimeter is denoted by P, area is denoted by A. So P is equals to 2 in the bracket L plus B. What they have given, just see here, they have given area as well as perimeter. So we have to use both the formulas. You can observe A is equals to L into B. This is the area formula. So area they have given as 400, which is equals to L into B. You can observe this is the formula, first area. Then this I can say equation number 1. Another thing what they have given it, perimeter. You know perimeter formula P is equals to 2 in the bracket L plus of B. They have given the perimeter 80. So this I can write 80 is equals to 2 in the bracket L plus B. I can cancel 2 ones are 2 40s are. So this becomes therefore 40 is equals to L plus B. This I can modify either for L or for B. So let me modify for L. L is equals to 40 minus of B. This I write reverse. L is equals to 40 minus of B. This I can say equation number 2. This equation number 2 I am going to substitute in equation number 1. So what can I write here? Substitute equation 2 in 1, that is in equation 1. What about the equation 1? It is 400 which is equals to L we have, that is 40 minus of B out of the bracket B. Then let me solve this. This becomes 400 which is equals to 40B minus of B square. Let me arrange in the proper form. I will write the upper part so that you can see clearly. You can observe I got an equation that is minus B square plus 40. See 40B is 40B minus of B square. So B square plus 40B minus of plus 400 shifted to this side, it becomes minus 400 which is equals to 0. Let us see that. This I will multiply each term by minus. So what it becomes? It becomes B square minus 40B plus of 400 which is equals to 0. So what about the factors of the 400 B square? You know very well the factors are 20B and 20B. Get rid of this one. This I will keep to get the value of L. Now observe these two. What is the sign here? Minus, so both should be minus, and this is plus, so minus of minus it becomes plus 400. 20 into 20, 400 B into B square minus of minus plus, like this is. Let us substitute here. It becomes B square minus 20B minus 20B plus of 400 which is equals to 0. Let's take the common in this B. Inside B minus 20. Leave some gap, then write the same thing. That is B minus of 20 which is equals to 0. In this we can take minus 20 as common. So this becomes B minus 20 is equals to 0, and another also B minus 20 is equals to 0. So this becomes B is equals to 20 and B is equals to also 20. So these are the two of the answers are same. So any of the answer you can consider. If breadth B which is equals to 20 meter. Then what about length? We have an equation. Length L is equals to 40 minus of B which becomes 40 minus 20 which is also how much? 20 meter. So this is the solution of your last question of the chapter Quadratic Equation. Hope so you understood the whole chapter. Try it. If you did not try, just go through the YouTube video and observe all the questions which the solutions I have made it. Go through that. Hope so you'll understand.